Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you demo about implementing SwipeView in .NET MAUI application. Here I have created one demo related to performing CRUD operation using SQLite in .NET MAUI. Just click on suggestion link to see that video. So here on the click of record, I'm just displaying this edit and delete option on display alert. So instead of that, now I'm just going to use swipe view either on the left swipe or right swipe. I'm just going to display swipe item. So let's add that. Okay, so here in a collection view data template, I'm just going to add swipe view, and this contain that displaying student information. I'm just going to add here in a swipe view. Now here I'm just going to add swipe view dot left item. So you can use either left item, right item, or top item, bottom item. So here I'm just going to use left item, and here in a swipe view dot left item I can use multiple items. So for that I'm just going to use swipe items, and here now I can use individual swipe item. So that tags, you can use icon image source. So I'm just going to use .NET default icon and background color. Okay, so now let me rerun the application. So now on the left swipe I can see this .NET boat icon, and background color will be the light blue. Okay, so here on left swipe it is displaying this swipe item. Let me add another swipe item for deleting student detail. Okay, and here like when I remove icon image source, then it should display this delete option, but right now in .NET MAUI just that tags, like what are the tags I add without icon image source, it's not displaying. So you need to use like icon image source. Okay, now let me add a command here, like on the click of edit swipe item I'm just going to navigate to edit page. So for that let me just add one command here in a student list page view model. Okay, so this edit code I'm just going to add here. So when this command is executed, so it is going to return student detail in form of student model. So that I'm just going to pass here. Okay, now this command I'm just going to bind here in a swipe item. And from student list page view model I'm just going to use this edit student command, and that command parameter will be the current object. Similarly I'm just going to create another command for deleting student. And here I'm just going to use this code that I am displaying in action sheet. Okay, now let me run the application and let's see if it's working or not. Okay, so here now on the click of first swipe view item, it's just navigating to this page, and on the click of delete. Let me just see. Yeah, sorry, I just mentioned here. Yeah, I think I need to rerun application, so let me just rerun. Okay, so here now on the click of delete, it's deleting the code also. Okay, here you can also use swipe item view instead of swipe item if you want to design custom layout. So here you can use just swipe item view, and in that you can add any layout. So let me adjust vertical stack layout. Okay, now let me rerun the application. So here you can add icon as well as text also here in vertical stack layout if you want, and here in a vertical stack layout gesture recognizer you can just bind command and command parameter. So on the click of that, it's just going to execute command. Okay, so it's displaying edit and delete text. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.